Hello everyone, I'm Saqib, and in the previous video we have discussed about the data types in C Sharp, and today we are going to discuss about the various things like the conditional statements in C Sharp and how we can apply the conditional statements on different variables. So let's move towards our coding section. So first of all, I already told you need some certain set of softwares here, and I'm going to use the editor as I used in previous videos, like the Visual Studio Code. Okay, that's it. We opened it. So here is your previous program. Here we have declared certain set of data types and stuff like that. So we can make a new program. Here we can see that control and we'll say that C sharp conditions condition.cs. Okay, C sharp condition.cs. Okay, now the path is C inside the C drive, inside the users folder, del C sharp online classes and C sharp condition.cs. Actually, I am representing this path so that you have to use while compiling this program. So let's start with using keyword, and after that I will write the namespace system. Okay, now after that you can make the class, like I will say class of conditions. And because why we make class here, as you know that in the oops terminology, everything is inside the class, and whatever you have to write, you have to write inside the class. So we are learning the basic C sharp, and we move towards the intermediate section. I will tell you something about the object, something about the different concepts used in the C sharp. So first of all, in this video we will only discuss about the conditional statements. So let's public static, let's declare our main function void main, and that's it. Okay, now we can print any type of statement, but here I'm just using a simple string type of data type, string my name, and I will say sub here. Okay, now I will say I'm actually declaring a variable of string, and I named it as name, and I put Saqib inside this name. I will just check whether the name contains the Saqib or not. So how I can check the variable? So I have to check with the help of the conditional statement. So our first conditional statement is the if else condition. We'll say if the name, or name, like the name variable, name is equal to, now it's not assigning, we are just checking whether the name is equal to the Saqib or not. Like we are comparing the value inside the name with the value of something, whatever we need to put here. So I will say Akib, or I will say Amir. So here, if name equal to Amir, so still in the console.writeLine, yeah, it's not Saqib. Okay, so now what happened, this name contains the Saqib, and I am comparing it with Amir. So here the Saqib is not equal to Amir, it's not equal. Actually here you are not assigning the value, you are comparing the two values. Name is Saqib is equal to Amir. No, it's not, so it will not represent this thing. So like this is the true condition, which you will, if this condition sets to be true, but here at this time it's false because Saqib is not equal to Amir. If the condition uh, sets a true value, then this will execute, it will show it's not Saqib. But at this time the condition is false because those two values are not equal, so it will go towards the else part. So else, it will say console.writeLine, it may be someone, but not Saqib. Okay, that's okay. Or I can say it may be someone. Okay, I can say or Saqib or Saqib. Okay, let's check this program. We'll go towards our command prompt. We have to do the cd and we have to check our folder, that is our C sharp online classes. Okay, lot of, yeah, that's it. And after that we have write the cd. One more thing here, no, we have just write the program name csc. It's a C sharp compiler, C sharp condition dot cs. Okay. Oh, one error is here at line 11. Here's the error. You're expecting some type of colon at line 11. So here, yeah, actually you have to put the semicolon at after every statement. So here you'll go back and that's it. And after that you write C sharp condition dot exe. It may be someone or Saqib because it will go towards the else statement, that is someone or Saqib. But if you put some name which is here, like if I put Amr here, okay, now it should know it's not Saqib because now the variable contains Amr and the message is no, it's not Saqib. Yeah, it's not Saqib. So you know how we can do those type of things. Yeah, we can just replace this. The name contains the Amr. We can put this one also in the variable and we'll compare two variables, like we'll say that string of name2 equal to, I will say, Saqib. So now one name contains Amr, string name contains Saqib, and we'll compare it like that. Name2 is equal to this and it's not Saqib. So this type of stuff you get from here, and to do the same work, like at this time it's not equal and say maybe someone or Saqib. So it may be someone or Saqib. So now we understand how we can do this type of things, how we can use the conditional statements here. Now the thing is that like if you need to get the value from the user, like here, so what you do at this time, so like we are comparing the value with, like actually we will put some value here, string of name equal to Amir, and we'll get a value from the user, and if that we'll compare this value with the Amir. If the user enters the Amir, then we'll say yeah, it's not Saqib. After that we'll do some stuff like that. So what we have to do here, we have to write the function like console dot write line enter the name. We have to ask the user enter the name, and the user enters the name. We'll put the string of name2, and we'll say console dot read line. Actually whatever comes on the right hand side, it will go to the left hand side. Whatever this readline function gets from the screen, it will put it in this variable name2, and name2 gets that value which will get from the user, and we'll compare it with the Amir which is inside the name. So name1 is equal to name2. If we get the Amir, then we'll say yeah, it's not Saqib. If we give some else name, then it may be someone, or yeah, we can say here hello. We'll write the message hello Mr. Okay, I will say Mr. plus, and I will say it's the name2. Hello Mr. name2. Okay, here we can say that if it's a, okay, here we can say that, okay, it's comparing hello Amir, okay, directly. So that's it, our program is ready. We'll run it. C sharp condition.cs, and enter the name. We'll say Amir and hello Amir. Now we'll run it once again. We'll give the different name Saqib and hello Mr. Saqib, whatever we have written here. So if the Amir, we have put the name, we have put Amir inside the name, and we get the value from the user in the name too. If this sets out to be true, then this will execute hello Amir. If it sets out to be false, then it will take the name too from whatever the user enters the name. It will show the hello Mr. that. Okay, hope you understand this type of conditional. So it's a basic video. We'll cover more in the next video. So be with me, subscribe my channel so that I will update more and more videos, and we'll cover everything from basic to end. Okay, thanks.